Yeah! Nice! Yeah, pretty good! Hello, I'm Camila. Before the start of the video, I want to inform you that I have an awesome Telegram channel where I conduct trading sessions, live streams and answer to your questions. If you want to be a member of my community, then go to my Telegram channel and write me private messages I want to join the VIP. It's absolutely free. See you! Watch this video till the end and I will tell you about my super useful trading guide which you can get absolutely free today. Okay friends, today I will show you one of my all-time favorite strategies. We're gonna use just 3 simple indicators that will help us to make substantial profit. I've used Pocket Option as my preferred platform and link in the description below. So let's get started by configuring indicators. Set the chart type to standard, candles. Time frame 1 minute. Execution time also 1 minute. In the Indicators tab, select RSI, Stochastic and CCI. Go to the RSI settings and in style set 65, 50, 35. For CCI, set period to 14 and for Stochastic set 14, 1, 3. So, to identify an entry point for an upward opportunity, we actively look for situations where all 3 indicators are in the overbought zone and the moving averages are trending downward. Similarly, for a downward entry point, we seek situations where all 3 indicators are in the oversold zone and the moving averages are trending upward. We enter at the moment when moving is crossing overbought oversold levels. We are all set, so let's move on to practice. Friends, before moving on to the practical development of my new trading strategy, I promised to tell you about my awesome trading guide. My guide is a collection of my rules for organizing money management, which will help you earn big money on trading without loss. Today, you can get my guide for free. What you need to do? Follow the link in the description of this video to my Telegram channel, subscribe to it and write me in private messages I want a guide. Do it right now and then you will thank me. And we move on to practice. Okay, so all 3 indicators cross signal lines, so I'm opening up trade. Okay, a few seconds left. Looks like a pretty confident win. Yeah! We earned $230! Cool! Friends, I'll be glad for any of your activity. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, to my Telegram channel, put likes and write comments. I do it for you. Almost all indicators cross signal lines, so I'm waiting for the next candle and Stochastic will cross too. So I will enter up trade. Yes, Stochastic crossed. I'm opening. We almost won. No, stay here. Nice! Another $230. Super! 2 indicators cross signal lines, so I'm waiting for the next candle. If SSI crosses, I will open trade. Yeah, opening. Because of the delay, we got an even better entry point. Nice. A few seconds left. Looks like win. Yeah, pretty good. Nice. We got $472. It's $222.5 net profit. Today we did a great job and earned $682. For today I have everything. Subscribe to my channel, put likes and write comments. See you in my next video. Bye!